Well, South Australia's most famous sausage dog, Valerie, will soon be reunited with her owners after the feisty pup was found after spending almost 500 days in the wild on Kangaroo Island. Her owners, who had hoped for the best but expected the worst, say they are overjoyed.
Considering it's been 18 months, she's obviously found a way around Kangaroo Island.
We are just so ecstatic that she's going to be coming home. We are just so grateful with all of our heart to Kangaroo Wildlife Rescue. I just want to give her a belly rub.
Yeah, the 2-year-old pup is now acclimatising to domestic life before she's reunited with her owners.